Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this session now I would like to describe about how to draw the second interaction diagram that is called as the collaboration diagram. In the StarUML, the collaboration diagram is named as the communication diagram, whereas the sequence diagram is named as the sequence diagram itself, but the collaboration diagram is named as the communication diagram, because the two between the two objects, the how the messages can be communicated, that can be clearly shown in the communication diagram or the collaboration diagram. Now I am showing the collaboration diagram here. So simply select the model, add diagram. There you can select the collaboration diagram or communication diagram. Then that particular communication diagram will be added to the model explorer and as well as in the set of the working diagrams, and respective toolbar will be displayed at the left side lowermost thing. Okay, so here we are having the lifeline, the connectors, self connectors, forward and reverse messages, and the frames. Now I am adding the two lifelines or the two objects whatever we have added in the previous. The one is the user and another one is the system. Now I am drawing the forwarded message. User enter into the system. The name of the message is given as the user enter into the system. And what the system will do? It is a reverse message actually. From the system to the user will come. That is nothing but the system welcomes him. Okay, so now again the third one, user sends the login credentials. Okay, so user login details. Okay, so now see the set of the messages are displayed as that. This is the number 1, this is the number 2 message, sorry, this is number 3 message, and this is number 2 message, and this is number 3 message. Like that the messages will be displayed. Okay, now I am selecting once again the login details will be selected, and the system checks itself whether he is the valid user or not. So if he is valid, okay, so for that it directly I am adding the message here, that is nothing but he is the uh, valid or not, checks valid user or not. So directly he checks whether he is the valid user or not. Okay, so then if he is the valid user, it sends a message that he is valid. Okay, so it sends he is valid. Okay, so he is the valid user. Like that the set of the messages can be interchanged between the user and the system. Here only the forward messages are showing, but the reverse messages are not displaying here. So just see, the 3 is the reverse message and 5 is the 2 is the reverse message and 5 is the reverse message, and 4 is the self message. But these 2 and 5, the reverse messages are not showing, only the forward messages are showing here. Just try to observe this. Like this, here the synchronization is not showing like the sequence diagram. In the sequence diagram, the synchronization, that is exchange of the messages one after another will be displayed. But whereas in the another interaction diagram, that is communication diagram or the collaboration diagram, only the set of messages can be displayed. Other kind of the sequential of the messages in the form of the sequence is not at all shown. So if all these messages are relevant to the login, so I can add frame here that is named as the login frame. Okay, so I am naming this particular set of the messages as login. Okay, so this frame is named as the login, and whatever messages that belongs to the login session only, so I can frame it Like that we can create the interaction diagrams. In the first interaction diagram, in the sequence diagram, the sequential set of the messages one after another in a sequential manner it displays. But coming to the communication diagram or the collaboration diagram, simply it shows the set of the messages one after another between two objects. That is the difference between the sequence and the collaboration diagrams. Both are treated as the interaction diagrams and both are same type of the diagrams. Only difference is that time synchronization mechanism is maintained in the sequence diagrams, whereas this thing is not shown in the communication or collaboration diagram. Only displays the set of the messages between the two objects, like this. So the second interaction diagram is also over. In the coming session, I would like to give the introduction of the class diagram, activity and state chart, object, component, and as well as the deployment diagrams, all these things. So please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials to watch more videos. Thank you one and all.